Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the mistake you have been doing when setting up these types of VPN. Now we are going to configure our Zam VPN. So you're going to go to the Google Play Store and download that VPN application. I'm going to be searching Zam VIP NET VPN. That is the application we're going to be setting for all countries and almost all networks. So don't forget to give me that subscription, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So I'm going to be downloading that application, and after downloading that application I'm going to open it. So I'm opening the application. It will be looking like this. It is a 5G system, it has that system. So I'm going to be seeing such a page, and as I told you in the last recent video that I'm free to join this Telegram channel or no, but me, I don't usually recommend my subscribers to join because these channels are many, so I don't recommend you guys to join this channel. So I'm going to click later. After clicking that later, I'm going to go right here where I have the updates. I'm going to be setting the updates. After clicking the updates, I'm going to wait until it tells me that no update is available. So I'm going to set my application here. I'm going to set this one and this one. I'm going to be telling you the mistake you guys have been doing. The auto server must be left auto server, and the UDP protocol, we are going to search right here. That I'm going to search all country. I'm going to search all country. It is all country UDP protocol. Just be searching for it. We're going to be looking for our UDP protocol. Don't forget to give me the subscription. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I'm going to show you the protocol I'm talking about, which is working for almost any country. Searching. We are going to search for that one. We are going to search for that protocol. We are searching. We have it right here. It is all world social pack. That is the protocol we are going to be using. You can also be using that UDP protocol. We have that protocol. Let me put UDP. We have this one, the UDP protocol. So after, I'm going to be waiting for like 2 seconds, and then I'll be clicking the connect button. As you see, it has connected successfully. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I sign out.